I just launched my first YouTube vlog, and a blizzard is about to hit New York City. Nails, let me tell you. You haven't had a blizzard in 10 years? So today is Monday. Okay, so I just posted my first YouTube video, and instead of stressing about some analytics, I decided to get my nails done because I went to Jamaica with some crap nails. Let me tell you, usually when I go traveling, I am all set with the nails, okay? Nails be on fleek, hair be on fleek. My nails wasn't done, but my toes were definitely done, right? I'm not really concerned about the nails too much, especially I was only there for like 4 days, 3 nights. But them toes, yeah. The toes definitely needed to get done ASAP. This is my nails. They look so nice. My girl Dory, she's located in the Bronx, and she does my nails perfect. Like, when I tell you this girl is fantabulous, okay? Even if that is a word. I can show her any nail design from Pinterest and she matches it automatically. So guys, I came back to New York City on Wednesday, and right now they're talking about a blizzard type of snow. Like, we didn't just have a snow thing almost 2 weeks ago, late in January, and now we're gonna get a blizzard type of snow. Like, it's ridiculous. The blizzard is supposed to start around 9 p.m. First they said 6 a.m. and I am parked outside of my apartment complex, so my car will be staying here the entire time, okay? Yeah, so I'm actually gonna head on to the store to get a couple of things. So, all right, let me head on out. All right, as you can see, it is blizzard snowing. We haven't had a blizzard in 10 years. That's what they said. That's like they claimed this. I think it was longer than that. I don't remember. I've been in New York City all my life, so yeah. Car is covered. I am in my apartment building gym. Obviously you can see it has all of the amenities. I work remote from work. I'm in the office Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I usually take this time Monday and Tuesday to work out. I don't have to like rush and change my clothes for lunch, go to the gym, and then come back and change clothes. So that's a good thing. I used to be in the gym Monday and Tuesday faithfully, right? But I end up getting an injury on my hand, my wrist, whatever, last August. I don't know when this injury happened. I could not do the rower. I could not do push-ups or anything. So, you know, it kind of just messes up my whole vibe. I have to get back into the groove of things, working out, because gained weight. I'm not really liking how I'm fitting in my clothes, and I was going to therapy, but that, that kind of stuff. My lunch is about to be done, so I'm gonna go back upstairs and log back in for work. So guys, before I head upstairs from lunch, here's the rower. I absolutely love that machine. It does everything. However, because of the wrist, it becomes such a problem for me. But this is a fully functional gym. I'm so lucky to have this in my apartment complex. Right here is the backyard. We used to have a school next to us that was part of the building. However, they closed down for some reason, and I don't know. But this is where the kids would come during their lunch period and play on it. And it's very unfortunate that us tenants who live here that have children cannot play on it. This would have been so perfect for my son. I mean, he's 14 now, so he's not worried about some jungle gym, but it would have been perfect for all the kids that live here. And then here we have our bikes, and this next machine, I don't know the name of it, but I believe it's one of those all-around type of gym machines where you can do every workout on it. So, but yeah, this is my whole gym. So guys, this is the ending of my vlog. I just logged off of work, and right now I'm just gonna go wash his hair because it's a bit dirty from traveling. Then after that, I'm just gonna curl up on my couch and watch my favorite YouTube creators, Maya Galore, Shanika E, and Aaliyah. Those are my favorites, hand down, okay? But guys, just want to say this, thank you again in advance. And if you enjoy my content, my day in the life, my travel content, please subscribe, okay? Would love to bring you along my journeys and just a little bit of my life here in New York City, okay? Until then, see you on the next vlog.